Y'all, welcome back to Officially COCO. So, I just got me. Ooh, hold up, y'all. Hell no. That was a B. I got real quick and ready. I just came to McDonald's so I can get me a sandwich and a drink. That's all I wanted. Hopefully they don't mess with me. Yeah, but I got a new bag that I'm going to show y'all. It's by Mac Duggal. And I'm going to show y'all this bag that I've been wanting. And then I got this. So I'm still carrying this around. Now, I did say it depends how I feel about this. And I'm going to return. I've been very careful with this. I do have my cards in it. But I've been very careful with it. So we're going to see how this look. And it determine if I should just keep both. Yeah, one bag is going to determine if I should keep both. I think she's coming now. Because I only got a sandwich. I just haven't been feeling like myself. You know, I don't feel like coming on this camera crying. I didn't know it was going to hit me this hard. Ooh. Good morning.
You want it?
Yeah.
Or you did that?
I'm good. Thank you. I appreciate
you.
you.
Jelly for your order?
Jelly. Strawberry.
Orange?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate you. So yeah, y'all, I just, like I said, I just got a drink and a sandwich. And I'm pretty much forcing myself to eat this because I don't feel like eating. It's like I'm dealing with a lot of guilt. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't want to make myself sick. So I gotta force myself to eat. Like pass out. I don't want that to happen. So I got on red and blending in with this damn scarf. Okay, who gonna go? Cause I'm gonna go. Yes, I'm headed to our building. It might look a little cloudy. I should have cleaned this lens off my the camera part of my phone. Oh, she gave me a straw because I'm thirsty. So yeah, I ain't talking about much. I just wanted to let y'all know once I get there and settle, I will be showing y'all the bag. I should do that now. I mean, well, as soon as I get in there, because I know I'm gonna be doing work and I ain't gonna be paying attention about doing this video. It's gonna all be in the same video. Oh, okay. You gonna cut in front of me? Cool. Cut in front of the girl. Yeah, but I've been eating like once or twice a day. To go back on that, I ain't really been eating a lot. Be like stressed out about shit. Yeah, somebody almost got hit, y'all. That's why the homie and the man, well, he almost hit the man, and the man clapped. Like, thanks for about to hit me. I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy out here in the world. People ain't moving like they used to move. People tripping out here. They'll just walk across the street, take their time, be on the phone. It's just not forgetting you the one in the vehicle that had 4 wheels and you walking on 2 legs. Feeling like taking a big break and come back when I feel like I put my time into get myself together, whatever this is I'm going through. Cause my mood, I can't put my, I feel like I'm not putting my all. Somebody here. Somebody's here in the building. thought I was gonna be by myself. So I'm not by myself. I got company. So I'll be back to show y'all my bag. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I'm back so I can show y'all. So like I was saying in the car, I'm currently I'm currently carrying this, the MCM. It's a snap closure. And then I got all my cards in it. Now I would say this is like very helpful to have. Like if you want to be on the go, just carry your cards. So like I said, you just have an outing and you don't want to carry nothing heavy. This would do the trick, okay? So, cute bag, but still undecided. Hold up, y'all. I'm still on my break. I'm on my break. Let me see something. Somebody sent me something. Hold up, y'all. Let me minimize this. Oh yeah, sorry about that. The bag out of the box. So I'm just gonna show y'all pretty much how the bag look. I've been eyeing this bag. I'm not playing y'all for, I wanna say for 6 months. Almost probably pretty much coming up on a year. But this is it, the bag it came in. I will have to say the packaging was excellent. Excellent though. Look at this. Like this is everything. Oh man, it is pretty. It's really pretty, y'all. Wait till I show y'all. Like, I'm trying to figure out. It ain't pretty much nothing to say negative. So far, I'm not getting no scissors to cut anything. I'm gonna make sure the feet is on here. I'm gonna keep the tag on. Y'all might hear the TV in the background, so please try not to listen so easily. So y'all ready? This is the bag, and this is the medium size. I thought it was gonna be smaller than this. Y'all, I've been eyeing this bag for the longest. I don't have anything to put in it, but I'll show y'all which one fit in it. This is the strap, so I'm not gonna take the strap out. And this is the inside. I do want to put this back in here. So, I don't know if it comes with a dust bag though. I'm guessing it don't. But this is it. Look at all that room I can put in here. Because if all of this was in here, then you know this is it. Now, first of all, they had it packaged in here. That's why I shouldn't even take it out. Because now I don't even know how to put it back in. But the only, you know, the detail of this is so it's very you gotta be careful on the inside, but it's not like one of that material you can't even get out. I mean, I'm sorry, you can't get the solution out. Look, this how you know I'm hypnotized over this bag. Look at this, y'all. Let's look at the feet. Is the feet intact, y'all? The feet is intact. Oh my god. Let's see. I'm trying to hide the fupa, y'all. But this is super cute. I like this. This is so... I said a dust bag. Y'all, look. This is the damn dust bag. I'm tripping. But yeah. This is very, very nice. And look at it on the side. The Mac Duggal. I don't... If I think real hard, I don't think I have a crocodile purse in my collection. I may, but just don't remember. I may have one. I just don't remember if I just don't remember if I do. Y'all, this is cute. Let me take this off, because I don't know if this can scratch my bag or what. So let's just take the tag off. Take the tag off and put the tag in the inside. Let's just do that. Let's put that in the inside. Let me make sure I'm closing this right. Because it looks like it feels like it's a magnetic, but I'm not sure. But yeah, these are the 2 bags. Once I get it together, y'all, and get the things that I'm gonna put in it, then I'll do a video to show y'all. But yeah, these are 2 bags I got. That one and then this one. So still undecided about this one, but I really feel like I might just go ahead and keep it because I think it's gonna be useful. I might need that in the long run. So your girl might just keep that. So I just wanted to come in real quick and show y'all that. But I do plan to show you everything you can fit in there. I'm gonna try to switch it out a little bit. But y'all know most of the things I put in my bag is pretty much the same stuff I carry around. I might just show you how much you can fit in there, if that makes sense. Not all about the same things y'all know I put in my bag. It's just how much you can fit in there. So I'll do a video on that. Hey y'all, I'm at Walmart. So yeah, I did an order with Sephora and got perfume. I got it in the car, so I can't really show y'all. It's a little blurry because I didn't clean the camera, but let's music playing. Oh, I see something I might want to like. Hold up, y'all. Music playing. Hopefully I can block it out. They got stuff on clearance. Look at that. Ain't that cute? These some pajama stuff. But how much is it? I don't see the shorts though. I don't see the shorts for it. How much is it? It ain't showing it. Oh, it's on clearance and it is $5. Look. I don't like that they don't have the shorts. Why when they get to the big size they ain't got no damn shorts? That's not right. Y'all, as we speak, I'm getting hot as a bitch. This shit ain't no joke. I found something else. Just $7. I could try extra large, but why? Because, you know, if you wash it, it might shrink. Oh, no. Yeah, this is some cute little stuff. You know, little lounge shit. It's $7. Got an overall. Ain't bad. But, yeah, for the most part, they got some shit in here. T-shirt's $3 though. You see there? I wouldn't wear this, but it's $3. What y'all think about this one? But yeah. Yeah, I tend to do that. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting off. So I'll see y'all on my next one. Live life to the fullest.